Hello everyone, this is Vanshika. Welcome to my channel Glamour with Vinny. So in this video, I'll be sharing this beautiful Diwali look with you. So without any delay, let's get started. So I washed my face and applied primer. Now I'm using concealer under my eye and on my eyelid, and now I'm gonna blend it with blender.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now next I'm applying kajal on my upper and lower waterline.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on and on.
Now I'm applying the same kajal on my eyelid just near to my lash line.
And on we'll go.
Now I'm using black eyeshadow and blending it out with kajal.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Now I'm using this brown shade and applying it on my crease and blending it out with the black one.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
With this fluffy brush सेम ब्राउन शेड लेकर मैं अच्छे से ब्लेंड करूंगी.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
For my lower lash line, I'm using the same brown shade.
And we'll grow in number. Few
Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes.
turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in
And next, mascara. I'll be using it on my upper and lower lashes.
horizon. Turn us to thousands. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Now foundation अपनी फिंगर टिप की हेल्प से डॉट डॉट करके पूरे फेस पर अप्लाई करूंगी.
wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Then with this blender, I'm blending it.
Hold me close.
Next, I'm using blending brush to smoothen out my foundation.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we
Next for contouring, I'll be using this shade from bronzing palette and brush को pinch करके मैं इसको apply करूँगी near to my cheekbone, on my jawline,
will go. Through the wastelands, through the highways,
and of course on my forehead.
till my shadow
And my favorite part, blush. Just smile and apply it.
will go. Through the
Now I'm contouring my nose with the flat shader brush.
we'll go.
Next highlighter, I'm applying it firstly on my brow bone, on my nose, on my cheekbones,
Finding life along the way, melodies we
on my forehead.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls.
On my cupid's bow, and last on my chin. Now I'm using this brush to outline my lips.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And now I'm filling my lips with the same lipstick. And yeah, that's it. And if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.